This is by far has been the best dry container for us. I mean, look at that. Everything's nice and dry. The chickens are soaking wet. Super simple food storage for us, for our chickens. We used to have a pool, and this held all our fun noodles and all the fun pool toys. And we've tried a lot of different things to keep our food dry and free from pests. This one seems to work the best. So you can lift it with one hand, super lightweight, waterproof. We got scratch, we got crumbles, we got corn, sunflowers, everything you could need will fit in this thing. The girls can come out. You see how easy it is for the girls. Just flip it up, grab some chicken food, whatever, feed the girls. If we haven't had any mice or ants or anything, but if you come over here, hey ladies, sorry, things are a little disheveled. We got a new goat today. Somebody gave us a really ornery buck. Hey big boy. So this I thought would be super easy, but it's just kind of a pain. You got to take the lid off, you know, set it on the ground. I mean, this is ant city in there. How do they get in here? I have no idea. But this seemed like the solution, but it's a pain in the butt. My wife hates it. You'll see her out here slamming it on the ground. She got bit in the eye by an ant. I don't know if you know this, but on the lids on these, there's gaps where they attach the handle. So it's not totally waterproof. We have another poolside bench that we're going to put out here. I'll put a link in the description. It's been great for us if you've been trying to figure out how to store your chicken food. Super simple. Again, it was one hand, lightweight, waterproof. If this has been the best solution for us, I don't know if there's something better out there, but as far as inexpensive and serves a great purpose. And it looks good too. It looks way better than our trash can. Doesn't look so trashy. All right, see you later.